What's new with round 2? We're gonna find out. The round 2 booth is set up here at the Dam Show in Detroit, Michigan. And they always have a lot of cool stuff, showing what's new coming out. We're gonna go through and see what's new. So you don't wanna miss this, because I'm getting ready to get to the good parts.
That's the plan, but I don't know.
All the kits. I like that. I like that in real life too. Plus that's a good kit. Here's what we got.
The Nomad, sometime mid 2025.
Okay.
MPC Duster will probably be late first quarter 25. The Slashers in production. So is the Funny Car.
That should be out here anytime.
Yeah, it should be anytime.
Yeah.
The Hellcat's still sometime next year. I don't have a date on it. Coronet Hemi, there's a couple parts I gotta fix on it. It'll probably be late next year, and sometime mid-year on the Nova. The Nova's done. It has to fit in the schedule.
Alrighty.
No tooling on that.
It's gonna be done just like the Craftsman.
We got a 76.
Just like the Craftsman style.
Nova.
Or it's gonna be a full kit.
First version will be a Craftsman style.
65 Coronet. 2021 Charger. A little sneak peek underneath, guys. I got permission to do this, so don't be ripping me in the comments. The Streaker Funny Car. I'm anxious for this kit. I'll show you the box art here in a second. I'm really anxious for this kit. I built it many moons ago, and I think it ended up with more fingerprints in the paint than anything else. 72 Chevelle. That there screams 80s. Look at that. Is that cool or what? It's a 72 Duster. Looking good, looking good.
Yes. Okay, we just did some numbers.
60 Wagon. Did you see this? You working here officially?
No.
You're not? I thought you were. You lied to me. The 65 Barracuda.